So today we are going to see a kind of a defect which is either in Eclipse or Spring Boot, most likely to be in Eclipse, which makes uh, any changes to your application.properties not being picked up in Eclipse. So let me create a Spring Boot project. Let's name it as Spring Boot demo, and let's add kind of dev tools and Spring web dependencies, and Spring Boot. This would create a project. Now if you make any changes to application.properties, they will not be picked up. The reason is simple. If you go to project properties, what you will see over here is, as you can see, source main resources excluded is star star. So just remember to remove this from your project properties and you should be good. So if you have included a, a dev tool dependency for ease of deployment, then even any changes to your properties file will be picked up. So this is a small tip that might help you. That's it.